Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be discussing how you can get that check mark, that verified check mark on YouTube for your YouTube channel. First and foremost, you will need over 100,000 subscribers before you're able to get the check mark. The only thing that YouTube does allow for is like celebrities they mention on one of their videos on their creator series. So let's say like Will Smith. Let's say he already has started a YouTube channel, but let's say he hasn't, and he would fire it up, and then his publicist would probably reach out to verify it even before he hits 100,000 subscribers, but most likely celebrities will probably hit that number very, very quickly. So anyway, enough about that. That is the number one criteria, is you will need over 100,000 subscribers. So definitely keep grinding if you haven't reached that already. It took me a long time for this channel to get there. So now let's go ahead and go to the form. So here is the video right here from Creator Insider. Right here, this is YouTube explaining it from a YouTube employee. But just a simple Google search, how to get a check mark on YouTube. I will have this linked in the description box below to save you a little bit of time. And let's go ahead and click on verify badges and channels on YouTube. So if you don't have one already, which most people have to apply for one, some channels may get it automatically, but I'm pretty sure you have to apply for it now. You'll see this little highlighted apply now. That's if you have 100,000 subscribers. Let's look at a little bit of channel eligibility. It says here that you are authentic. Your channel must represent a real creator brand or identity it claims to be, and they could verify. They could have you send in documents or something like that, your identity, age of your channel, etc. Your channel must be public and have a channel banner and a description. So you need a complete channel. It cannot be like a spam channel or anything like that. They want you to have a profile picture, and they want your content to be active on YouTube. Here's the instance of celebrities. In some cases, YouTube may proactively verify channels with fewer than 100,000 subscribers that are well known outside of YouTube, meaning celebrities. So definitely before you do apply, make sure that you have a nice description of your YouTube channel in your settings, profile picture, etc. So let's go back to mine real quick. And here is my channel banner. Here is my profile picture, my name. Now I am verified, and that took several days after they gave me the confirmation email, which was really nice. But let me show you. So right here where it's about your channel, you hit about, and here's your description right here. So make sure this is nice and rich with good keywords as well, explaining what your channel does. So let's give you an example here. Now in the thumbnails, like next to it, I've been on a travel kick for a little bit here. So you'll see the verified check marks on all of these. Most of them that have already hit 100,000 subscribers, the check marks. It just gives you a little bit more added value to your channel when people see that there is a check mark, which is really cool. Like this guy right here, it is on his name right there, right after, and his channel subscribers, etc. So I've been aware of this, but my good buddy Jonathan actually told me, he said, you might as well get verified. And I said, what's the criteria? Looked into it, and it was very simple. So after I filled out, let's go ahead and click on that. After I filled out this right here, all you do is you type in your channel name and your channel ID. Your channel ID is in your settings, and you fill in that information, your channel ID, and then all you do is submit it. And then I got a email confirmation saying that I submitted it. And then the actual next day, I got an email. So they actually verified mine very quickly. They said I think it takes up to like 2 weeks on some channels, but the very next day, they gave me this email stating that they did approve and successfully verified my YouTube channel. And in that email, they actually said that it will take a couple days. And then when you go to your channel in settings, come down here, then you'll see it on your page there. But know that if you do change your channel name, that check mark will go away and you will have to reapply again. So let's say I change my name to Chris's Tricks and Tips. I would actually have to reapply once again. Again, check out Creator Insider's YouTube video regarding this if you are still unsure of anything that I did mention in the video. And again, if you haven't already gotten up to 100,000 subscribers, keep hustling, keep plugging away. You'll eventually get there. I created this channel in 2012, went full-time in 2016, got verified, and just hit 100,000 subscribers in the year 2020. So it took me a long time, but it's worth the grind. Keep at it. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe on your way out, and let me know down below if you have any questions. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.